Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a new VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are using the internet. So this app is already on Google Play Store. The app will help you to secure your connection. The app will enhance your online activities when you are online. And let me take this chance to welcome all viewers, all subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. On this channel we share apps that can secure your connection, so you are in the right place in case you need to secure your connection. And today's app, open Google Play Store, it's already there. And when you reach on Google Play Store, so you search for CM Tunnel Lite, CM Tunnel Lite, and among the presented you opt for this one, CM Tunnel Lite. This app is already there on the Google Play Store. Take note of the app name, take note of the app icon, and after that install this app on your device. And after installing the app, you are required to set it up. So you open the app in order to carry out the settings. And as we open this app, just in case you are new on the channel, you are welcome, and you can take this time to like, share, and you can subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And when you subscribe, you won't miss our future coming content. And when you reach in the app interface, you are required to carry out some simple settings. So you tap where there is the three buttons in the upper right corner. So from here you opt for updates. So when you tap on updates, the app will start to check for the available updates, and it will be updated to the latest version. This helps the app to provide you with the best speed, the best service, and its newly configured settings so that it can work as it secures your connection. And the other setting is you are required to pick a server where you see auto select server. You can browse along the list of the servers, as you can see from global 1 up to 10. So you pick any of the presented servers, but for today's guide I recommend you to pick the auto select server. This is because the app will automatically pick the best performing server in your region, and it will work perfectly. So the other setting is you are required to either pick one of the connection methods. You can either pick fast DNS or you can pick the UDP, whatever will work for you. But for today's guide, we are gonna use the UDP as our connection method. Why? Because the UDP is fast and secure as you are online, and the other reason is UDP is working for all countries which support UDP. In case your country supports UDP, so this option will definitely work for you. Just in case UDP is not working in your country, you can opt for DNS and you try to connect. So for today's guide, please you opt for UDP and you tap on the nearest button or the nearest box to check it. Then after, to initiate a super fast and a secure connection, you are required to tap on this start button. So when you tap on the connect button, this app will be connected and your connection will be secured. And that's how we set up CM Tunnel Lite with UDP settings to get a super fast and a stable connection, extra protection when you are online. And let's meet in the next video. In case you are new, please subscribe on this channel for more useful content.